Most people think options are about being right on direction, but there's something working against you the entire time: the clock. Hey, I'm Eric with Option Alpha, and today we're talking about time and expiration. Options don't last forever, and every option has an expiration date or a deadline. And as you get closer to that deadline, the options start to lose value. This is called time decay. Here's the rule: more time equals more value. Less time equals less value. Think of it like an ice cube. At first, it melts slowly, right? But as time runs out, it starts to melt faster and faster. Now, let's look at a real world example. Right here, we're looking at Disney trading around 104. Same stock, same strikes. The only thing changing is time. This first one expires soon, so look at the prices. Now we move to the next expiration. The same strikes, but do you notice something? The prices are higher. Move out even further, same exact prices, but now the prices are even higher. Nothing changed about the stock, nothing changed about the strike. The only thing that changed is time. And that's what you're paying for. Time is part of the price. More time means more opportunity for the stock to move in your favor. Less time means that the opportunity is disappearing. And as expiration gets closer, that value starts to drop even faster. This is where a lot of beginners get caught. They buy an option, the stock doesn't move much, and the option loses value anyway. Not because they were wrong, but because time was working against them. So instead of asking, will this move? You need to ask, will it move fast enough before time runs out? And that's the difference. All right, now quick recap. Options have a clock. Time is part of that price, and that time is always shrinking. Next time you look at an option, ask, how much time do I actually have, and is it enough for this trade to work? And that's how you take the guesswork out of options trading. In the next video, we'll talk about why you can be right and still lose money. And if you want a full structured track, the beginner's course is completely free at optionalpha.com. Subscribe for more options in plain English as we continue to take the guesswork out of options trading. I'll see you in the next video.